Hello, my name is Michael Strunk. This is MIU Week 1, the first project. This week was very difficult for me. I've been out of school since January. It's not like riding a bike, you don't just jump back in. I've had to do a lot of studying on my own. The most difficult part this week was definitely Photoshop. Believe it or not, I had to relearn everything. You just don't remember when you're not using it. I didn't remember it like I needed to, so I had YouTube videos on making buttons and color schemes and stuff like that. So that was pretty difficult this week for me. Um, Easiest part for me was the JSON data. Obviously, that's pretty self-explanatory. We just copied my previous ones and edited uh, edited the details of each one, so that wasn't too bad. Um, my aha moment came pretty early on. I realized my app didn't work for what we're doing. My app in Visual Frameworks was poorly done. I was struggling. That's why I left school. My CRUD is still not fully functional, which I'm working on now. Will be fully functional by next week. So me having to change my app around to make more sense isn't that big of a deal. My app was a survey before, just telling us about your eating out habits. Didn't really work for the what we're doing. What it does now is you still tell about your eating out habits, kind of, but it's more so the restaurants you go to and the category they fall under. So in our feature here, you see, find favorite restaurants, tell us your favorites. So you click on it, and it's going to take you to a much better looking survey after I fix this next this week, to tell us about your restaurants that you visited. And then you can come down and browse by categories of where other people are eating. So if you click Italian, it will tell you the most popular Italian restaurants that people keep bringing up over and over again, and so on and so forth with each category. Um, so there could be some other categories here, and I may add them later. Tex-Mex, Mexican, stuff like that. But these are your basic categories, and uh, every time one gets recorded, the drop down will give you the food. When you type in a restaurant, the drop down will give you what genre the food type would be in, and you can select it like that, so it knows where to save the file. Um, I definitely used a lot of the visual framework stuff from my last class, the coding and stuff. Once I went back and watched some of the videos, it came back to me fairly quickly. I was able to catch back on. Um, Again, my Photoshop stuff is definitely on the weak side. I definitely want to improve on that. Um, and Linda helped this week a lot, redoing the Linda to refresh my mind on a lot of the stuff I've done in the past. So that was my week 1 project. I'm pretty excited the way it turned out. Put a lot of effort into it this week, and got a lot more effort to put in before project 2 is due. Got to get my CRUD fully working. Got to get um, I really would like to spend some time on my Photoshop stuff and actually make this look a little better as well. Again, I wanted to make sure I had something to turn in this week that was pretty presentable. I thought I did a well job of that. My search bars here too. You can search for restaurants, so you can see how many people typed in your restaurant that you're looking for to see what you think. So that's my week 1 project. Looking forward to doing week 2 and getting started now, and looking forward to seeing everyone else's videos. See you guys next week.